Stephen Fausti, how are y'all? An Máistreacht, so in new law to be Mehav Gavilas the ninth day. Okay, in we've a new chapter, Chem a new theme in our Naberlum. It's Lahanach, let me see, Céad Fiche Ceathair, 1, 2, 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through on Físeán Seo, this video with you guys that is on the Aberlum online stuff, and we'll just see how we get on. Okay, the title of this unit is Cleachtadh a Dhéanann Máistreacht. So that's an old Shanachal. Does anybody remember what it is? We went through it a lot this year. Cleachtadh a Dhéanann Máistreacht. Yeah. Practice makes perfect. So it's all to do with Cavamshra Eigsula, different pastimes or sport Eigsula. So let's see how we get on here.
Cleachtadh a Dhéanann Máistreacht. Bíonn comórtas Eigsula sport siúl fud and down.
Comórtas Eigsula, different competitions fud and down, so timple and down around the world.
An bhfuil sim agat sa ladóg.
Have you a sim? Have you interest sa ladóg?
Bíonn comórtas ladóige I Wimbledon gach saora. Sure.
Comórtas ladóige, tennis competition in Wimbledon, and Kershe or Cal this year, it was cancelled this year, Mariala and coronavirus, okay, but every, I think it's, Mehav, it's every June, every Mehav, got Mehav, Comórtas Eigsula ladóige I Wimbledon their shield. It's one of my highlights of the summer every year, love it. Real sign of an sour the summer.
Andy Murray. Is Imror Intach
Imror, player.
Cad Faoin Roíocht. Bíonn an Tour de France siúl gach bliain. Seo Stephen Roach. Is Éireannach Bhuaigh sé an Tour de France in 1988.
So Stephen Roach is Éireannach. He's an Irishman. And Bhuaigh sé, it's hard to believe, but an Irishman won on Tour de France. In 1988, so a year after I was born. Oh my God, I'm giving away my age. Okay, so I don't really remember it. You definitely don't remember it. But Féach an Ceathair Seo, we see l'Arc de Triomphe, the Arc de Triomphe, Ibaris in Paris, and that's where Creaking on Ross, Ibaris, Scotland. So it finishes in France every year. Again, it's probably cancelled this year. I'm not sure. Mariala and coronavirus.
An Dhéanann soccer la.
Yes.
Bíonn Curran an Down siúl gach ceithre bliana.
Curran an Down, the World Cup, every 4 years.
Chrit era an bouta Cathrú Ceannis I Gurn an Down 1990.
So Crick they reached on both the Cathrú Ceannis the quarterfinals. Hard to believe Ireland got to a World Cup quarterfinal in 1990. Barely remembered it either. I was only Kerblin Beach. I was only 4, but it was a brilliant time in Irish sport and Irish history. Okay, and we're big fans of the Irish team. Tarish and Cleachtadh in Aviva last October in Nan, or Jerafur Shikata. Okay, when we saw Éire and I on Danvarg. Okay, so.
An Mahlacht sport Ganella. Shans nach go bhfuil an sport sin sna Cluichí Olimpicha.
Olympic Games.
Tá lán comórtas sport sna Cluichí Olimpicha. Glaciacht, snáb, Dornálaíocht agus rábhaíocht mar hampla.
So Glaciacht, snáb, Dornálaíocht, Glaciacht, Olympics mar hampla Simone Biles, or not Olympics, gymnastics. Dornálaíocht, so boxing, fighting, Katie Taylor, snáb, swimming, Michael Phelps, all these guys.
Buan na lúchlasatha, buin or, arigid, agus cray ua.
Buin or, arigid, agus cray ua. And we've gone through this early in the year as well. So buin or is on can, is far the best. This is Nice far, okay, and this is massive the worst, even though it's the best, or even though it's still great. So buin or, arigid, remember arigid is silver, same word for money, agus cray ua is bronze.
Seo Annalise Murphy. Is Éireannach
She's Irish, it's Éireannach.
Bhuaigh sí bán arigid sa Teol Toireacht I
Gávíle a séide, okay. Bhuaigh sí bán arigid. She won a silver medal I Gávíle a séide. Cá rá na Cluichí Olimpicha I Gávíle a séide. Can anybody remember? Cá rá sheet, where were they? Bhí siad I Rio de Janeiro. Did I cut that off early? Let me see, I'll just go.
Bhuaigh sí bán arigid sa Teol Toireacht I Gávíle a séide.
Gávíle is a séide. So, 2016, Seoltark sailing. Okay. Now, Lanham Jirai, keep on. I know maybe this is a bit jumpy, but my hand is getting tired. Tá Tershik Emma Love, so Tá Broner. No, they're asking us Éist, leis an vocal. So we need to see a bit of vocabulary.
Bratach.
Bratach. Cade bratach. Lovely word. Bratach. 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 Yeah, bratach is a flag. Okay, so tá da aráiste bán agus glasir bratach na hÉireann. So if you think of France, tá da jarrog bán agus gurm bratach na rank. Frankach. Cahfuil an bratach? Yeah, it's on bratach Tour de France. Bui. So it's a bui an da atá ag baint leis an Tour de France. Okay, bui is the colour most associated with the Tour de France because that's what the leader wears. That's the colour vest the leader wears. So bratach, seo it. Bratach, woohoo, good start. Fuireann na hÉireann. Fuireann is a team, na hÉireann, Irish team. Cahfuil siad. Yeah, yesh, an chéad one yesh. Yeah.
Ladog.
Ladog, Andy Murray, Roger Federer, Serena Williams, Venus Williams. Cahfuil Ladog, feic an seo. Comórtas Ladóga I Wimbledon. Boom.
Bán Creua.
Bán Creua. So bán or is gold. Bán arrogate silver. So Creua yesh. Boom. Suha Talún agus Uachtar. I Wimbledon, Gaflín, in Wimbledon every year, Ihan Nadini, okay, the fans, and look, takeíocht to the fans, Ihan siad Suha Talún agus Uachtar, strawberries and cream. It's a real tradition in Wimbledon, in London. It's in London, okay, every summer. Suha Talún agus Uachtar. Sounds good, sounds good. Rothíocht, remember Stefan de Rosta. So I cahabh an Ganzi bui cahfuil an seo. Bán or, the best one on Canis Far. Glaciach, Simone Biles jumping around the place. Cahfuil she glaciach gymnastics feic an seo. Bán Arrogid, cahfuil Brown Arrogid. Yep, silver. Park Immerhat, so feic an seo. Playing field or football pitch. Yes, go team. Garmagat, thank you, very kind. Okay, now, if we look at Lahanuk Céad Fiche Cuaig, okay? Cathal Amshire, we'll fly through this. I don't want us to do anything major in this. Wimbledon. Bíonn Comórtas Ladóige Wimbledon, London, Gasara. Comórtas Ladóige tennis tournament. Glachan Imróí Ladóige fud an down Parton. So Imróí from fud an down, Glachan siad Parton, they participate. Chain na mílte dína go Wimbledon hon fécint na cluichí. Chain na mílte, thousands of people go to Wimbledon hon fécint to look at na cluichí. Ihan galore acu lots of the meet Suha Talún agus Uachtar, yum yum yum. Tradition mór a Comórtas Wimbledon, a big tradition in Wimbledon. Okay. On Tour de France, is Comórtas Rothíochta on Tour de France. Chain na Rothíthe, the cyclists go Terrace Bóthir Chimpel na Franca. It's on a road race around France, nice way to see the country. Ahrian an Cuirsa gat blian. Ahrian Amshalork, the verb which means it changes. The course changes gat blian every year. So every year it changes. Hussey Tour Milaniged Noka Hucht 1998 in Erin. It actually started in Ireland. Hussey she, Amshir Kacha. It started in Ireland in 1998. Bíonn Ganzi Bui an Ruhi a bhíonn Chuntussi. Ganzi Bui, yellow jersey, an Ruhi, the cyclist Chuntussi, who's leading ahead. And we can see, this guy's obviously leading. He's wearing the yellow jersey. Okay, very prestigious of the yellow jersey. Wooey an Dhéanann, the Irishman, Wooey Stefan de Roche, there, Stephen Roche and Ross, in Savlin Milaniged Octo Shacht, 1987, which is, 33 years ago. Oh my god, I'm getting so old. But anyway, Curnan Down is my favourite, and can is far lum, okay? It's even lum Curnan Down. I like a lot of these, but it's even lum and Curnan Down. Is Comórtas more soccer a Curnan Down? Massive soccer tournament. Bíonn sé siúil I dír difriúil gat Ceirivlín. Different country every 4 years. Anybody remember where it was on Vlín Shikacha last year? Yeah, Sarush in Russia. Where is it going to be in 3 Vlín? Yeah, Qatar in the Middle East. Anyway, Glachan Trucadó fueron Parchan. 32 teams participate. Bhí an bua ag an Brazil cuaig thura go dtí seo. Níos mó ná aon túr eile. So bhí an bua, Brazil have won it, okay, cuaig thura 5 times up to now, more than any other country. Sa bhliain 1990, chric éire an babhta ceathrú ceannis. Ireland reached the quarter-final an babhta ceathrú ceannis sa Comórtas, agus bhí glundar crí ar muintir na hÉireann. And the people of Ireland, muintir na hÉireann, bhí glundar crí arthú. There was happiness in their hearts. They were absolutely delighted. Bhí glundar crí arthú. It was one of the best times in Irish history and sport. Na Cluiche Olimpice, cosúil le Curnan Down, like the Curnan Down, bí na Cluiche Olimpice ar siúil I dtír difriúil gach ceithre bliana. Different country every 4 years. Now, unfortunately, it's supposed to be Sachapan on Saoire Shot this summer, but it's going to be on next summer instead. And that's probably the first time ever that it'll be on in a year that isn't divisible by 4. Glachan Lú Clásiche páirt I go mórtas éagsúla. Athletes, Lú Clásiche. If you look at the GAA, it's Cumann Lú Clas Gael, the Gaelic Athletic Association. Well, Lú Clásiche are athletes. I go mórtas éagsúla. Buan siad buinóir, they win, buinóir, airgid agus craúa. Gold, silver and bronze. Glach éire páirt na cluiche den céadúir 1924. So in 4 years' time, when the Olympics are on in, where are they on in 4 years' time? I forget. But that'll be 100 years since the very first. Is it Paris? I think it's Paris in 4 years' time. That'll be the 100 years since the very first Olympics, or since the first time Ireland competed in the Olympics. Oh, since then, tá ein van is trucha búch agin. We've won 31 medals. I didn't think it was that many. Sa Lú Clásiacht in athletics, sa snámh in swimming, sa Dornálaíocht in boxing, where I'm very good at boxing, sa Rábhaíocht in rowing, remember the O'Donoghue brothers, sa Seoltóireacht, remember Annalise Murphy in sailing, agus sa Bharcaíocht Capel, horse riding. So all these, okay? Lú Clásiacht, athletics, snámh, swimming, Dornálaíocht, boxing, Rábhaíocht, rowing, Seoltóireacht, sailing, agus Bharcaíocht Capel, which is horse riding. Now, okay, so on to the next bit of business. Now, fake ar na ceist na seo. Oh, come on, so, ceist the hen.
Céim sport a Emery and Deanie in Wimbledon.
So, céim sport a Emery and Deanie in Wimbledon. Now, you could have a fragger gar short answer, but I want full answers around Shay. So, Emery and Deanie, ladog. Emery and Deanie, ladog. Yeah, Shane, simple as that. I'm sure you're
Céim sport a Emery and Deanie I Gurn an Down.
I Gurn an Down. Céim sport a Emery and Deanie. So, Emery and Deanie, what do we think? Yeah. Say Pell or soccer. Pell is football, soccer is soccer. Obviously, yeah. Number 3.
Cad is anam don chomórtas roiíochta sa rank.
Cad is anam don. What is the name of the Comórtas roiíochta sa rank? Name of the cycling competition in France. Okay. On Tour de France is anam do. Okay.
Anamnig sport a one. A bhíonn na Cluiche Olimpice.
Anamnig, name one sports na Cluiche Olimpice. Oh, you've loads, and you could give me loads. So off you go. Okay, if I was in class now, I'd be going around the room asking you. So we've Dornálaíocht, boxing, Seoltóireacht, we have Lú Clásiacht, which is athletics, we have soccer is there as well, we have Ladog is there, we have Rábhaíocht is there, yeah, so there's a lawn sport on. Okay, Rábhaíocht, rowing, Cadella, Marciacht Capel, horse riding, tá lawn sport on. Lú Clásiacht, athletics.
Céim bia a Éhan Dína a Comórtas Wimbledon.
So what food do Dini eat I Comórtas Wimbledon? Yeah, Suha Talún agus Uachtar. Okay, is tradiisiún in Wimbledon.
Céim dá atá ar bhratach Tour de France sa Victor.
So céim dá, what colour atá ar bhratach Tour de France sa Victor? Dá bui. Yeah, tá dá, full answer. Abertí omlán or Fragger omlán. Tá dá bui ar bhratach Tour de France sa Victor.
Cad iad na dahana a bhíonn ar éide sport Éireann na hÉireann.
Another question for Dhéanann, another question about colours. Cad iad na dahana, what are the colours ar éide sport Éireann na hÉireann? What colours are on the Irish team jerseys?
Cad iad na dahana a bhíonn ar éide sport Éireann na hÉireann.
So we have tá glas agus bán agus aráiste ar éide sport Éireann na hÉireann. Okay?
Cad a bhuain Dínas na Cluiche Olimpice.
Cad a bhuain siad, what do people win na Cluiche Olimpice? So bhuain siad or buain siad buin Or gold, buin airgid, silver, agus buin cré ua, bronze.
Cé hí an Dhéanann a bhuaigh bonn I gcluichí Olympacha 2016.
Yeah, so I Rio, cé hí, now he is the what girl, cé hí an Dhéanann a bhuaigh buin I gcluichí Olympacha 2016. What Irish woman, okay? We're not talking about Drétharcha O'Donovan, the O'Donovan brothers, because then I would say cé hé, but cé hí. So bhuaigh Annalise Murphy bound airgid I gcluichí Olympacha 2016. Annalise Murphy. Can't sport Dhéanann Annalise Murphy, can anybody remember? Yeah, Seol Tuairt. Agus an cean Jarnach.
Bhá latsa Pórta Ghlacha I go mórtas mór sport, láigen.
What latsa would you like? Not on my. What latsa Pórta Ghlacha I go mórtas mór sport láigen. Well, Misha, okay, me fan, myself, Bawatlam, I would love. Bawatlam Pórta Ghlacha I Gurnandown. Oh, I'd give anything in a World Cup. Unbelievable. Bawatlam Pórta Ghlacha I go mórtas Gurnandown. Bawatlam Pórta Ghlacha I go mórtas ladóga Wimbledon freshen. Ach, níl me gama ag ladóga. I'm no good at tennis. The Olympics, na Cleachtadh Olympica would be cool too, but I think on Gurnandown would be on Canis far dumps it anyway. Now, for the main part, the part you've all been waiting for, what would I like you to do today for classwork or for work at home? I would like you to do nothing. You've listened to me go on for nearly 17 minutes now at this stage. So that's great. Just listen to it, guys. Think about it. That's it. No written work today. Just get your other work done and just try and think back on what we've done rather than anything else. No written work today. Just thinking about our new folklore. It might be ladóg, might be bower, might be Cleachtadh, which is gymnastics, might be Suha Talúnagus Uachtar, might be Gurnandown. Just thinking about our new words. No written work at all today. That's it. Sinné, Gur Mágaibh, slán, slán, slán.